Brad Carroll. I'm a repair expert for Fitzpatrick. I live in Wilmington, Delaware, better known as Pike Creek, Delaware. I was hired here August 22nd, 2011. Meeting different people, I see probably an average of 700 people a year. That's a lot of people, and it's a lot of stories and experience. Every person's different. Every home I walk into is a life lesson, and I really enjoy helping people. And when I walk into the door and they say, "Brad, I've had a lot of contractors out here. I just can't fix this. I can't find it." I love the challenge. It makes me feel good knowing that I helped somebody out, and I really enjoy doing the work as well. I love playing drums. Music is my #1 thing. Without music, you know, it's boring. I also love outdoors, anything outdoors, fishing, hiking, you know, name it, I'm outside. My daughter is probably my biggest achievement in my life. I'm extremely proud of her, and it's amazing to see how far she's come and how grown she is. Favorite charity is Faithful Friends. I love animals. I have a cat and a dog myself, but I just love helping out animals.